What is up guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Last minute vlog to, hindi natin pinlano to, but currently we are here in Ford EDSA sa showroom nila because we're doing a Father's Day video over here. I am here with my dad and andito tayo sa showroom nila. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
Anong mga message mo sa mga viewers natin?
Hindi, Happy Father's Day sa lahat ng mga fathers out there.
Ba't tayo dito?
Ha? Meron lang tayong pipick upin.
Na?
It's a dealership. What do you pick up in a dealership?
Malay ko, parts for the Raptor?
No, a car.
Nako. So what car is this?
Ha?
Baka ang guess nila Mustang.
Tang.
Bakit hindi Mustang?
Ayoko na lang mababa.
Bakit?
Been there, done that.
So what did you buy?
Ha?
What did you buy?
Bronco. Ito yun, first Bronco release in the Philippines.
Talaga ba? The first one?
Yes.
What color?
Eruption green. Nice.
Oh, eruption sa sabog. Kailangan sumabog ka din pag nakita mo. Mamaya kailangan sa sabog. Oo. Pang tanggal ng kaba.
Kaba.
Excitement pala.
Kaba.
You don't look excited.
No? Okay lang.
A few moments later.
Who dropped by, guys? It's our good friend Chris in the legendary Mustang GT. Musta ka dyan? Long time
I'm excited ako kaya nandito ako.
Park ka na.
Epal lang.
Yan na. The moment of truth. Ay, may music. Pwede mo patayin yung music.
Saan may dancer ako?
May dancer din. Maka-copyright tayo lang sa... Sayaw ka rin.
Sabi mo, game over. Kumbaga key drop.
Big car problems, guys. Hindi kasya yung Bronco sa space na yan. Kailangan ng buwelo. Grabe, that color. Ganda ng kulay. Congrats. Anong first impressions?
Maganda.
Ganda ng kulay, grabe. Sobrang ganda ng kulay. Eruption green. Anong masasabi mo, Chris, sa Bronco?
Sobrang
wait till the sun shines on this peak. Yun talaga sobrang ganda.
Mag-e-erupt yung pintura.
Mag-erupt yung pintura.
Eruption green talaga. Grabe. Mukhang sa labas ka matutulog tonight ah.
Ha? Bakit naman?
Titingnan mo lang yan buong gabi.
Hindi naman.
Grabe guys. Ganda. Nagmukhang maliit tuloy yung Mustang ni Chris sa sobrang laki nitong Bronco. Pero grabe, look at that paint. Very nice. And wala pang sunlight yan. Talagang indoor pa yan. Wow. Ganda rin ang taillight. Very nice. Ang liwanag. So this is the Bronco Outback. Outback ba? Ano ba nakasulat dito? Outer Banks Sasquatch Edition. So ito guys yung pinakamataas na spec ng Bronco just before the Bronco Raptor. So ang ganda ng spec niya. Sobrang laki ng tires. Grabe talaga.
A few moments later.
Hello guys, medyo late na kami natapos dun sa Ford EDSA. May paperwork pa kasing ginawa, but here we are on the way home and I'm gonna be ending the vlog here, pero at least alam nyo na may bago tayong car in the garage. And wow, of all the cars to have, it's a Bronco Sasquatch package na hindi Outer Banks. Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. Anong message mo pa sa kanila? Yung mga kapwa father and son, shout out to you guys and thank you for supporting us. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's short but very sweet, especially for my dad kasi
Best Father's Day ever.
oh, best Father's Day ever daw. Ayun guys. So ayun, we'll see you next time. You guys take care. Goodbye.